Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we get to start our V8 swap. So first thing I want to do is I want to tackle the interior, the side louvers, the doors and everything like that, so it makes it more easier for me to get in the car and out. So first thing you're gonna see is you're gonna see me take off most of the interior, the side glass, the door, so that way it's easier to get in, and then we'll continue with everything else. So hope you like what you see. Make sure you give me that thumbs up and subscribe, and we're gonna get this thing going because it's really exciting to get the V8 into a V6 because this is a beast of an engine. So let's get started. Let's start with the taking the doors off, the seats and everything else, the louvers, the back seats, interior trim, plastics, and like that. All right, halfway through, half of the parts are off, the seats are out, the doors are off. So I'm just gonna start knocking this side off the camera and a couple more little things, and then we're gonna hit up the center console. Alright, the assembly update. It's going pretty good. Took out the A pillar, C pillar, and the D pillar. Got out the glass. Most of the interior off. Now I just gotta repeat the same thing on the other side, and center console is next. All right, couple of things are off. A pillar plastic and also the headliner. Good thing I took it off here because I was gonna see how hard is it to take off, and it looks like it's just the cardboard that is glued up, because I was gonna do a sway interior in mine, but looking at this, definitely not touching the headliner. And look, it's made out of the cardboard. So yeah. All right, next thing is center console and probably the dash. I think we did pretty good amount of damage. Everything is off out of the trunk, the center console, the doors, the headliner, and everything. So I think I'm gonna end this video right here. So in the next video, we're gonna be taking out the dash, the engine, the suspension, the transmission, the drive shaft, and so on. Like I always say, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.